Today, we're diving into the CORECENTRIC Remanufactured Refrigerator Control Board Replacement for the LG 6871JB1423N. This control board is designed to breathe new life into your refrigerator, replacing the older 6871JB1423B model. What sets this replacement apart is not just its compatibility, but also its promise of performance and reliability. Let's talk about the build quality. The solid form factor ensures durability, giving you peace of mind that this replacement won't let you down. Plus, with an electronic lock type, you can trust that your settings will remain secure and consistent. Now, onto functionality. With a compact design, this control board doesn't take up unnecessary space in your appliance, ensuring optimal performance without sacrificing room for groceries. And don't forget the 12-month warranty, which speaks volumes about the confidence CORECENTRIC has in its product. Installation is straightforward, even for those who aren't DIY experts. Just follow the provided instructions, and you'll have your refrigerator up and running with minimal hassle. It's worth noting that this replacement is compatible with various LG models, offering versatility to a wide range of users. But let's get down to the nitty-gritty: performance. The CORECENTRIC Remanufactured Refrigerator Control Board Replacement delivers on its promise. It ensures precise temperature control, keeping your food fresh and your drinks cold without fail. Say goodbye to worrying about fluctuating temperatures or erratic behavior. Overall, if you're in need of a refrigerator control board replacement, look no further than CORECENTRIC's offering for the LG 6871JB1423N. It's a solid investment that brings reliability, performance, and peace of mind to your kitchen. So go ahead, upgrade your appliance and experience the difference firsthand. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.